Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful headband. It's very easy to make, and I think you can make them and gift them as you like because it's just one row repeat, and we are gonna use a 9mm hook and a category 6 yarn, so you can make it even for your most distant cousins. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below. It's totally free. If you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot. We will start with 17 chains. If you want to make it wider, you can add more chains. If you are using a different yarn, just use an odd number. Okay? 1, 2, 17 chains. Just turn your chains. We are going to use these back bumps. Skip this first one. Insert into the next. Grab the yarn. Pull through this loop from this. That's a slip stitch. Yarn over. Insert into this next one. Grab the yarn. Pull through. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all. And that's a half double crochet. We will only use these two. Make a slip stitch, then make a half double. A slip stitch, a half double. And we will repeat this till the end. And it's just one row repeat, actually. So I think you can make it in 1 hour, because a big size hook, big size yarn, easy stitch. It's all perfect for a gift, I think. Last 2 stitches, make a slip stitch and make a half double crochet. So we started with a slip stitch here. If you don't wanna miss this one, if you're a starter, it's better to put a stitch marker here. Start with a slip stitch, complete the row with a half double crochet, chain 1, turn. Insert into this first stitch, make a slip stitch and put a stitch marker here. This will be your last stitch when you turn back here. Yarn over, insert into the next. Make a half double crochet. A slip stitch into the next, make a half double crochet. As you can see, that's the half double crochet stitch. We are gonna put a slip stitch here. There's a slip stitch and make a half double crochet here. last two, make a slip stitch and a half double crochet, chain one, turn and start with a slip stitch again. Now we are gonna repeat this a little bit. I will turn back in a second and give you the measurements. I made 40 rows and now it's 42 centimeters, but it will loosen up. You don't want to make it so big. 44, maybe 46 if you have a big head. And wrap it around your head. If it fits, then it's okay. Now put these two ends together. When you complete, just leave a long tail. Okay, we are gonna sew these two pieces together. Just put them together. It's not important if it's the right or wrong side, both sides looking same. Fold these two pieces like fold it half, okay, and this one too. Now we are gonna insert this piece inside the other one, inside the left one, and I think it's better to put this inside the right one because we are gonna use this. I'm gonna show you one more time, okay? Just put one of them inside the other one. And that's how we join them. It's better to insert into the stitch. Just sew them together. And when you complete, make a knot, then hide the tail. Now we will open this. That's the wrong side. Okay, it even looks good, but we are gonna turn this, and that's the magic. It will look like that. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address, is also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.